we are able to play in such a beautiful environment. We studied specially for this trip the Prague Symphony of Mozart. Of course, these are all young people, and Mozart Prague Symphony isn't easy. We have a few soloists from the orchestra. One is a hobo player and a flute player and a violin player. And we are very proud that we can play with Mira, who is a Czech player, and he plays a modern piece of a modern composer. It's very good of him. He's a very good player because we only had one rehearsal in this very difficult piece. Furthermore, we have a timpani player who is called Patrick. He's sitting over there. Who's also Czech, and he plays with us the first time. We start with Haydn, Hobo Concerto, then we play from Jules Massenet, Méditation, and after that we play Knuit. Then we take 10 minutes a break because it's very warm. Okay. And after that we play Mozart and Born. Okay. I wish you a very nice evening. Perfect.